Hey guys, Steve and Homer here from Top Guns out of Terre Haute, Indiana. Welcome to our new segment called Cop Talk. Homer is, of course, a full-time law enforcement officer and also joins us part-time here at the shop to help out, to earn a few extra dollars on the side. Today's topic is yet another gray area, and we want your opinion. You'll be the judge and jury. Tell us what we have going on.
A couple weeks ago, we had an off-duty FBI agent in Denver that was at a nightclub, obviously off-duty, was dancing on the dance floor, did a backflip in the video that you can see. His pistol falls out, he goes to pick it up, and it discharges. And I believe it even shot somebody in the leg, didn't it?
It did end up shooting someone in the leg.
Kind of obviously there's probably no gray area to this because the guy was...
There's no question what he did.
Yeah, there's no gray area.
There's no question what he did.
This isn't good, but
the question is...
if you're off duty, you're at a bar, are you policing at that time, or are you there to have a good time? How much are you drinking? Should you be carrying a gun? What, I mean...
All right, so here's the couple of questions that comes here. One, should he be charged with a crime? Should he lose his job? And then the second part of this is, if you're at a bar, police or not, should you be carrying your firearm? I'm not saying should it be law. I'm saying should you be under the influence and carrying your firearm?
Mm-hmm. There are some topics that I believe, just being a law enforcement, if Steve's not a law enforcement officer, I am. If we commit the same offense, in the public eye, it looks worse on my part because I should have known better as a police officer. So that's where I believe it's kind of gray. Why is it worse for me just because I have extra training and Steve doesn't, that it looks worse on my part? Maybe that comes into play on something like this, to where he's obviously a trained FBI agent. Should he have known better?
And for the record, the extra training part, it's just in theory. You know. All right, guys, give us your opinions, post down below. Once again, you can check us out on Patreon. If you go to our Patreon channel, with all of these videos, we'll be recapping and showing or telling what the conclusion is and how the case turned out. So we will wait until they're all fully concluded before we make the Patreon version of the conclusion. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.